The double-sided slat wall gondola ships with one large double-sided slat wall, two slat wall end pieces, which have a slat wall only on one side, two long end pieces for the base, two short end pieces for the base, and one top piece for the base. The gondola is also shipped with 4 plastic furniture glides, 32 cam lock nuts, and 32 cam lock screws, as well as 12 stickers which will cover the cam holes on the double-sided slat wall. To begin assembly, build the base for the slat wall gondola. Screw 4 cam lock screws into the corners of each of the 2 long pieces of the base. Then attach those long pieces to the short pieces of the base by inserting the cam lock screws into the edges of the short base pieces. Insert the cam lock nuts into the holes on the short pieces and tighten them around the cam lock screws. The cam lock can be pushed into place with your fingers, but should be tightened with a screwdriver. The next step is to attach the vertical slat wall pieces together. This process is easier if the gondola is placed on its side for assembly. Begin this process by screwing 6 cam lock screws into the corresponding holes in the center of each slat wall end piece. Then lift the double-sided slat wall above the end piece that's lying on the floor, and gently lower it into place over the 6 protruding cam screws. Tighten a cam lock nut around the 3 screws on each edge of the double-sided slat wall. Lower the other slat wall end piece onto the exposed edge of the double-sided slat wall, gently fitting the cam screws into the corresponding holes on the edge of the double-sided slat wall. Again, tighten cam lock nuts around the 3 screws on each edge of the double-sided slat wall. Attach the top piece of the base to the lower frame of the base of the slat wall assembly. Do this by screwing 8 cam lock screws into the edges at the bottom of the top piece of the base. 2 screws are screwed along each of the 4 edges. Flip the base frame over and gently lower it onto these 8 cam screws. Insert a cam lock nut into each of the 8 corresponding holes in the base frame. Tighten these nuts around the screws. While the base is upside down, secure the 4 furniture glides to each bottom corner of the base. Attach the glides so that they overlap the edge of the large base piece and the short base piece. Attach the base to the bottom of the slat wall assembly. Place the base upright on the floor. Insert 4 cam screws into the top of the base, 2 screws on each of the short edges. With the help of another person, gently lift the gondola slat wall assembly and lower it onto the 4 cam screws on the edges of the base. Insert 4 cam lock nuts to secure these screws. Apply each of the veneer matching stickers to one of the 12 cam lock holes on the double-sided slat wall. Outfit your gondola with a variety of slat wall accessories. This double-sided gondola allows you to display merchandise on all 4 sides.